Afternoon, Mr. J. Thank you for your time. Let us introduce our group. My name is Eni Nuraini as moderator. Another member of this group is Fitri Mesra, Ernawati, and Waluya. In this moment, we will give our presentation about a dimension of symptoms and present perfect. In our presentation, there is two sessions. The first is conversation and explanation, the presentation, and second is question session. Please, Mr. Waluya and Mrs. Fitri Mesra to start the conversation.
Oh, my stomach is too bad.
What is it like?
It seems as the lead reach on my stomach.
Please lay down here. I will give a first aid.
Thanks.
This may help you to heal the pain. Don't move. Just lie down here for several minutes.
Thanks a lot.
What do you feel now?
I feel better now.
I am having a headache. Does the pain occur frequently?
No, I does in just suffer it.
When did you feel it?
This morning, house is hot again.
You are not totally cured, then please still lie down here. The doctor will examine you.
Can you give any medicine?
So I can, but you can ask it.
The following are unusual expressions used by nurse to insulate symptom of a pain. Where do you feel it? Di mana kamu merasakannya? Where does the pain? Di mana yang sakitnya? Show me where it is. Tunjukkan kepala saya di mana itu. Does it hurt? Apakah itu menyakitkan? What is it like? Seperti apa itu? It is big. Apakah itu besar? How big it is? Seberapa besar? How does it feel? Bagaimana rasanya? With does the pain look like? Seperti apa rasa sakitnya?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Fitri and Mr. Waluya. Untuk selanjutnya,
What was the worst pain you felt? Seperti apa rasa sakit terparah yang kamu rasakan? Does it bother your activity? Apakah itu mengganggu aktivitasmu? Can you still move your arm? Apakah kamu masih bisa menggerakkan tangannya? Can you still have food? Apakah kamu masih bisa mengunyah makanan? Do you get spread? Do you eat spicy? Apakah kamu memakan makanan pedas? When did you first notice it? Harapan pertama kali kamu menyadarinya? How long does it last? Sudah berapa lama? How often does it happen? Seberapa sering hal itu terjadi? How long have you suffered from it? Sudah berapa lama kamu menderita itu? Do you suffer it frequency? Apakah kamu sering merasakannya? What did you do before that? Apakah kamu lakukan sebelumnya? Did you clean your house before? Apakah kamu sering membersihkan rumahmu sebelumnya? It okay. Apakah gatal? Does it hurt? Apakah itu menyakitkan? Do you vomit? Apakah kamu muntah? Do you feel better now? Apakah kamu merasa lebih baik sekarang?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Waluya. And the next to reading, Mrs. Erna, please.
Dengan favor.
Dengue fever symptom. Dengue fever is endemic in tropical and subtropical area. Dengue fever is estimated by the World Health Organization or WHO to use about 2,100 million infection for years worldwide. The use counters for disease control and prevention. Conditions dengue fever to cause the majority of occurred probably in travellers turning to the use. The first clinical report of dengue fever was on 1789 by B. Rice, although the scientists might have described the disease associated with flying insects as early as 128. African described Kadinga pepo as creme-like seizure caused by an evil spirit. The Spanish might have changed Dinga to dengue signs in men Posidos or carrefour Spanish, which describe the gain of people trying to the crowd of the pain of walking.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Erna. And then thank you, Miss Erna.
Unfortunately, the disease incites seems to be increasing. Researching suggests the surge in dengue fever might be due to several factors. Insecure urban crowding with more cities for magnitudes to the left. International compromise that contain in fact mosquitoes introducing the disease to area previously free of the disease. Local and world environmental change the allow mosquitoes to the surface the winter month. International travelers who carry the disease to the area where mosquitoes have not been previously infected Dengue was spread widely throughout the world. WHO distribution map show that dengue fever mainly occurs in tropical and subtropical area. In the US, dengue fever has been detected in California, Florida, Texas, and Hawaii. Another area where it has been detected or there has been an outbreak of the disease include the Philippines, Taiwan, Samoa, Brazil, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, Thailand, and New Delhi. However, as climate warm, experts suggest dengue will become more prevalent. In the 2050, an outbreak of dengue fever occurred in New Delhi, the worst in 5 years. Over 100 people tested positive for dengue fever. There have been at least 3 to 2032 death attributed to this outbreak. State-run hospital were so overcome that patients were sharing beds. An independent group, Providence University, suggests the actual numbers of people in India with dengue are vastly underreported. Gejala demam berdarah endemik di daerah tropis dan subtropis. Demam berdarah diperkirakan oleh Organisasi Kesehatan Dunia atau WHO menyebabkan sekitar 50-100 juta infeksi per tahun di seluruh dunia. Pusat Pengendalian dan Pencegahan Penyakit atau CDC AS menganggap demam berdarah sebagai penyebab mayoritas penyakit demam akut pada pelancong yang kembali ke Amerika Serikat. Laporan klinis pertama dari demam berdarah dibuat pada tahun 1789 oleh Beras. Meskipun orang Cina telah menggambarkan penyakit yang berhubungan dengan serangga yang menyuliti. Sejak tahun 420 Masehi, orang Afrika menggambarkan Dingapepo sebagai kejang seperti kram yang disebabkan oleh roh jahat. Bahasa Spanyol mungkin telah mengubah dinga menjadi demam berdarah karena dari bahasa Spanyol yang artinya yang teliti atau hati-hati, yang menggambarkan gejala berjalan oleh orang yang mencoba mengurangi rasa sakit saat berjalan.
What is the perfect tense? The past perfect tense keep the past in the past, as they say. The verbs that are placed in this tense have to happen and complete before a related action can occur. This past participle tense take the past from the verb to have as a modifier. Example, had talked. The past perfect tense from has a couple of different functions that it can perform. One, it can describe an action that occurred in the past that is related to another action that occurred in the past after the first action. Example, I had driven to pit stop before driving on the Detroit. So, it can describe two non-continuous actions that occur in sequence. Example, I had driven to Florida and then board a cruise 2 days later. Struktur formula. Subject, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. auxiliary verb had.
Thank you, Miss Erna and Miss Fitri. And then verbal past perfect tense, positive sentence, verbal past perfect tense formula, positive sentence, subject plus head, and past participle or verb 3. Example, the player had lost heart before the match finished. Negative sentence, subject and had and not and past participle or verb 3. Example, the players had not lost heart before the match finished. Question sentence, had and subject and past participle verb 3. Example, had the players lost heart before the match finished? Nominal past perfect tense formula. Positive sentence. Subject and had and been and adjective or kata sifat or adverb atau kata keterangan atau noun kata benda. Example, she had been at house. Negative sentence. Subject and had and not and been and adjective or adverb or noun. Example, she had not been at house. Question sentence. Had and subject and been an adjective or adverb or noun. Example, had she been at house? The past perfect tense is used 1. To describe an action finished before another past action. Example, Richard had gone out when his wife arrived in the office. 2. To describe an action that happened before a specific time in the past. Example, Christine had never been to an opera before last night. 3. To describe cause and effect. Kombinasi with past simple. Example, I got stuck in traffic because there had been an accident. To emphasize the result of activity in the past. Example, I had been to London twice by the time I good job in New York. Time exercise used with the past perfect tense. Already, yet, for, sign, just, after, before, until, the moment that. Exercise 2.